In this video, I want to show you a very cool function in Microsoft PowerPoint. Say you've put your PowerPoint presentation together and you're now ready to receive some objective feedback. Now this is the function for you. So go to Slideshow, Rehearse with Coach, and then you can start rehearsing. Of course, you can choose if you want real-time feedback or not. And as you're talking and as you're going through your PowerPoint, you are just going through the motions and you are speaking. And the system recommends that you speak for more than a minute, just so that it has enough information. But let's say we are done. You press Escape, and then your report will be generated. And look at this. It tells you your pace, if you've used any fillers, the ums, inclusiveness, originality. And then you can click on one of those Learn More buttons, and it will tell you more about your pace, filler words, sensitive phrases, and it gives recommendations for each of these, originality, pitch, speech refinements. If you've used repetitive language, how nice is that? And body language, some recommendations. So this is really a valuable tool to use. I would definitely recommend that you go and play around with it and enjoy it. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.